How to be. How to make a man fall in love with you. Be yourself. Be yourself when trying to make a man fall in love with you. It is important to be yourself and not someone else when it comes to personality and character. If you are pretending to be different to your true self when trying to make a guy like you, you are not doing yourself any favors. By trying not to be yourself, you are clearly indicating or suggesting that you are not comfortable with yourself. Make him feel needed, but don't be needy. Look, I know you're an independent woman that doesn't need a man, but the truth is, men like to feel needed. Chalk it up to a revolutionary past of being the provider and protector in the relationship. Sure, you can kill your own spiders and change your own tire, but that doesn't mean you have to. If you've been single for a while and have become accustomed to doing everything that needs doing, this may take a little practice and let go, but the next time you have something that you know your man would excel at, ask for help. Eye contact. Locking eyes with someone doesn't just tell them you're interested, it can even make them feel like they're falling in love with you, apparently. Why? Because it's the behavior of loved-up couples. A study by Zick Rubin, a former associate professor at Harvard University, found lovers spent 75% of their time looking at each other, other people spent around 30–60% of their time doing the same. By encouraging someone to gaze into your eyes by maintaining eye contact with them, you can lead their brain towards the idea of love. Dress attractively. Men are visual, and women know this better than anything else. When you're out with the man you like, dress your best. If you see him grinning widely or taking discreet glances at your attire, you know you've hit the nail. But dressing attractively doesn't just stop working its magic there. If he sees other men staring at you or admiring you, it'll only make him desire you more. Men are extremely competitive when it comes to wooing women. Listen, don't just talk. When you want to please and make a man fall for you, it is important that you listen. Don't just talk. If you chatter incessantly when you are nervous, find some other way to cope with your nerves. Many girls make the mistake of talking more than they listen when they are around a potential male partner. Girls aren't the only ones, of course. Many men do the same thing. But this is a big mistake that can easily cost you getting the man of your dreams. Be supportive of his interests and efforts. Look, you don't have to suddenly feign an interest in disc golf, rock climbing, or fishing if you're not already into them, but if your guy has hobbies or interests, one way to successfully learn how to make a man fall in love with you is to be supportive. If he goes on a fishing trip, ask what he caught. If he's going to the rock climbing gym, ask how his workout went. You're not pretending you're all about these interests, you're just showing that you respect that he's got things he's into, and you're inquiring about them. Be a good friend. This one should be a no-brainer, but for some reason, it often gets ignored. Playing hard to get, teasing someone, acting fragile, are all ways you can try and trick someone into a kind of love. But the fact is that if you want someone to care about you deeply, friendship is the key. When they're with you, they need to feel safe. Game playing might help hook someone in the first place, but it gets extremely tiring. Being supportive, listening to them, making them laugh, helping them feel good about themselves and life in general, these are the things that make someone really value you. Thanks for watching. Our channel is created and developed by a small team of enthusiasts. If we helped you, and you want to support us, click on the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. See you soon.